Thanks for joining us on our hike to Lower Calf Creek Falls in southern Utah. You can camp here. Reserve your campsite at visitutah.com. There is water, picnic tables, and a bathroom at the trailhead, but there are not a lot of parking spaces, so we suggest arriving early. Remember to pick up a trail guide so you don't miss something that's important to you. This is a 6-mile round-trip trail that is sandy with not a lot of elevation changes. It follows Calf Creek, which is what has cut out this canyon over millions of years. Along our way, I'll point out some of the native plants, and some of them were still in full bloom in October when we actually did this hike. Rabbit brush was a very common plant and still in full bloom, which is really amazing. And the shrub oak is gamble oak. We saw a lot of that. Outbound, on the far side of Calf Creek, are the beautiful Navajo sandstone walls. They come in multicolors, multi-shapes, multi-layers. We just could not stop admiring the beauty of this canyon. A typical part of the hike is going to be on sandy soil through riparian areas because we are walking along a stream. There are plenty of flowers and other plants that you will recognize, like these willow shoots. All of this growth is made possible by Calf Creek, which runs 12 months a year. It got its name from early settlers who raised calves in the area. Beavers built several dams on Calf Creek, creating ponds. And without these beaver ponds, we wouldn't have these fertile meadows and a stable water supply that supports all the wildlife and the vegetation that we see. You'll notice the dark streaks on the walls of the canyon. This is called desert varnish. It's formed over thousands of years and is made up of manganese, iron oxide, and little bits of clay. Without it, we wouldn't have petroglyphs. But what we see on the wall here is called pictographs, where the ancient Indians have actually taken a pigment and made their own art on the wall. We gazed at this formation for more than a minute or two. Just look at all the different colors, layers, textures, holes. Wow. And now our first view of the 126-foot tall Calf Creek Falls. I wonder what that sign says. Well, all hikers are duly warned. If you do decide to go into the water, please don't stay in very long and do stay well away from the falls. Yes, this is what we came to see. Well, Beth, we made it. Halfway at least. Beth put a flower in her hat, and I like it. One last look at this beautiful Navajo sandstone. Thank you for sharing this small section of the Grand Staircase Escalante National Monument with us. We really enjoyed Lower Calf Creek Falls, and we think you will too. Stay safe, and we hope to see you out on the trails.